Is your Toshiba Fire TV remote not working? If you're dealing with a non-responsive remote but there's no hardware issue, I've got a few simple fixes for you. Let's dive in. First up, check the batteries. Open the battery cover, remove the old batteries and pop in some fresh ones. Make sure the battery contacts are clean because dirt or corrosion can mess things up. Next, let's clean the remote. Sometimes grime gets stuck under the buttons. Here's how to clean it without taking it apart. Remove the batteries. Hold the power button for a few seconds. Mash all the buttons repeatedly. Gently tap the remote against your palm to shake out any debris. Still not working? Let's try unpairing and repairing the remote. Follow these steps. Place the remote within 10 feet of your Fire TV. Press and hold the left, back, and menu buttons for 10 seconds, then release. Wait 60 seconds, remove the batteries. Unplug your Fire TV for 10 seconds, then plug it back in. When the home screen appears, put the remote batteries back in and press and hold the home button for 15 seconds until the LED flashes rapidly. Wait up to 60 seconds for the remote to pair. If your remote still isn't pairing, let's try doing it manually in the settings. Navigate to Settings, then Controllers and Bluetooth devices. Select Amazon Fire TV remotes, find your remote in the list, and click to pair. And that's it. Your Toshiba Fire TV remote should be working now. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.